Yoga is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to improve physical and mental health. In recent years, it has become increasingly popular as a means to lose weight and get fit. While there is no singular answer to the question of whether yoga can help you lose belly fat, there is evidence to suggest that it can be an effective tool in weight loss and fat burning. Yoga has been shown to increase muscular strength, flexibility, balance. These benefits can contribute to a reduction in belly fat. Muscular strength is important when it comes to toning the abdominal muscles, which can lead to a reduction in belly fat. Improved flexibility can also help with fat burning since it can allow you to move more freely and burn more calories during a workout. Balance and coordination are important for performing exercises correctly and efficiently, both of which are important for fat loss. Yoga can also help with weight loss by helping to reduce stress levels. Stress can contribute to weight gain by causing cravings for unhealthy foods and promoting overeating. Yoga is known for its calming and meditative effects, which can help to reduce stress levels and make it easier to stick to a healthy diet and exercise plan. Yoga can also help to improve cardiovascular health. This disclaimer is applicable to any and all yoga, diet, and/or supplement advice, instruction, products and services provided. This disclaimer is in place to inform you that the advice, instruction, products and services provided are not medical advice and should not be construed as medical advice and are not to be construed as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, treatment. If you have any questions or concerns about your health, please consult with a qualified healthcare professional. If you believe you may have a medical emergency, please seek appropriate medical attention immediately. The information provided is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease or illness. It is your responsibility to research the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of all opinions, services, and other information found on the site and elsewhere. By participating in the yoga, diet and/or supplement advice, instruction, products and services provided, you agree to hold harmless and release the providers from any and all liability, costs, and damages, including, but not limited to, any direct, indirect, incidental, special, punitive, or consequential damages,